Hello friends, in this video I wanna show you how you get rid of flies from your home, garden and your farms. These flies suck the cell content out of the plant, seed on fruit and vegetable, on their leaves, on the plant roots, and they can also damage your flowers and your grass. But you don't need to still worry about that. This spray will help you to get rid of flies. To make this spray we will need few natural ingredients. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is the most useful ingredient as to repellent of flies. Liquid soap. This soap breaks the surface tension of the liquid which the flies normally rely on the state effort so that the flies will fall on it. Now we can prepare this remedy. Simply we just add 1 or half cup of apple cider vinegar into the bowl. And the second step we just add 1 teaspoon of liquid soap into the mixture. Now mix it well. Now we can fill the bottle with this liquid. And the spray is ready to use.